Question number 76. And so when Dave saw his girlfriend Sally walking down the street holding hands with Abel, he was infuriated. Dave drove to Sally's house, hid in the bushes, and waited. A short time later, Dave saw Abel and Sally sitting in the kitchen table, drinking coffee. Still angry, Dave went to his car and got a pistol. When he returned, Abel and Sally were still seated at the kitchen table. Intending to scare Abel by shooting in his direction, Dave fired through the window. Now, here's your question. If the bullet from Dave's pistol missed Abel, but struck the coffee cup Abel was holding, which of the following crimes did Dave commit? Battery, assault with a deadly weapon, or attempted murder? Now, A, 1, just battery. B, 1 and 2 but not 3, so that would be battery, assault with a deadly weapon, but not attempted murder. C, assault with a deadly weapon, attempted murder, but not battery. Or D, all 3, battery, assault with a deadly weapon, and attempted murder. Now, I'm going to tell you what the answer is. If you want to pause it, you can. The answer is B, battery and assault with a deadly weapon, but not attempted murder. Now, of course, one thing you got to remember about attempt is its specific intent. So, to prove that would be harder. It says here that intending to scare Abel. Now, in some jurisdictions, being reckless can convert, but it's not that tight. So let's have a look at, you want to look at my, just in case you're not, you want to review battery and assault. Now, remember, assault is the intentional placing of another in apprehension of imminent harmful and offensive touching without privilege or consent. Now, over here, he says he was intending to scare him by shooting in his direction. So, yes, that was an assault with a deadly weapon. He intended to scare him, and he had a deadly weapon to do that. So, yes, intentional placing of another apprehension, intent, offensive touching without privilege or consent. Now, battery. Battery is the intentional, harmful, or offensive touching of another without privilege or consent. Now, with battery, the action sometimes, you don't have to get as specific on that, but didn't he hit him? Hit his cup? He hit his cup? Right. He struck the cup that Abel was holding, so that's battery. Sometimes, if you hit something that someone's attaching, like an umbrella or a cane, that's the same thing as a battery. So it's intentional, harmful, or offensive touching of another without privilege or consent. Okay, well, that's all for today on this question. We'll move to the next one afterwards. Take care.